Hello, Professor. This is our final demo for a Capstone project. And for the first feature, browse books, explore a diverse collection of books directly from the app. So it uses Google Books API to fetch all these books that user can browse in the application. And for the second feature, searching for books, if I don't type in anything, we don't get anything, please enter a search query. So it's a form validation that we have done. And if I want to learn Java, I can simply say Java. Or if I want to learn iOS, then I can search for iOS books. There we go. And these all books are coming from Google Books API. And if I type in some random text like this, then it's gonna show no results found. And if I go back and I want to learn Android, say Android, there we go, Android books. So search bar is working fine. And for the third feature, favorites a book, create and manage a favorite section of the books. It uses a Firebase database. If I say add to favorites, if I say no, nothing happens. If I say yes, it gets added to the favorite section. There we go. If I want to remove it, I can. If I say no, nothing happens again. If I say yes, the books get removed. And if I add it again, I remove from favorites. There we go. And there we go, the books is here. I can also remove from here. If I say no, nothing happens. If I say yes, there we go, it gets removed and no books to show. And for the fourth page feature, we have notification, daily reminders. And for the testing purpose, the notification gonna show after every 10 seconds. And for the real world application, we're gonna set it for 24 hours. Or maybe in future we will improve this feature by adding a slider so that the user can adjust the timing after which want to get the notification. There we go, the notification is here. And if I can also disable it from here. So in the future we may add a slider, because every user is different and they can adjust the timings after which they want to get the notification. And for the fifth feature, dark mode, if I say toggle theme, there we go, the dark mode is here, favorites. And if I go to notifications and currently reading, statistics, and the codes, there we go. So every page is in dark mode. If I go toggle theme again, go to light theme, favorites, there we go, notifications, light theme, I'm gonna quickly do this one, and statistics, there we go, and codes, there we go. So the dark mode is working fine. And for the sixth feature, this is a currently reading section where user can update the number of pages he has read till now. For example, if I add it to this reading section, if I say no, nothing happens again. If I say yes, currently reading, there we go, statistics, sorry, not statistics, currently reading section, there we go. So this book has total 699 pages. If I say I have read this much pages, 261, and if I say progress, go again, 261, the progress is right there. If I say for 28, progress saved successfully, go back for 28, there we go. So the progress is getting saved successfully. And if I want to remove it, I can just type in the remove button. If I say cancel, nothing happens. If I say yes, there we go, the books get removed. And for I'm gonna add this to currently reading section for this mark as read feature, which I'm gonna showcase in the next feature, which is in displaying the user stats. So the app shows the number of favorite books, number of pages, and number of books he has read till now. So it also tracks the number of books he has read till now. If I say mark as read, cancel, nothing happens, yes, it get removed. Now it is added to my statistics. So I have total books read 1 now. If I do it again, add to reading section, there we go. If I say statistic is still 1, total number of books read. If I say mark as read, there we go, yes. And statistics 2, so I have 2 books total right now. Okay, so for the number of favorite books, if I add this book to favorites, add this one as favorite, there we go, favorite, 2 books in favorite. So the statistics should show 2 here. There we go, 2. If I remove any of the book from here, I guess, yeah, there we go, and statistics should say 1. So it also tracks the number of favorite books, and at last it also tracks the number of pages that user has read till now. For example, I have read 528 pages. If I go to my currently reading section, if I say I have read 300 more pages, it's 299 actually, and go to statistics, 827, there we go. So 300 more pages has been added to the user stats. And as for the last feature, we have daily books codes, so user can get motivation of to read more books. For this one, if I go to my codes and type in get code, so it's gonna show me a random code. It uses the API for fetching all these codes. The only thing you absolutely have to know is the location of the library, Albert Einstein. You can never get a cup of tea large enough or a book long enough to suit me. So it is fetching some random codes so that user is motivated for reading. And that's this is gonna be it, and thank you so much for your time, and have a good day.